All right, the first part is writing systems of inequalities. It's very similar to just setting up our systems of equations word problems. These are just going to have the inequality symbols. So this we would use if it was for more than, greater than, larger than, or above. And this symbol we would use for smaller than, less than, and below. And these two have the or equal to sign underneath it. So which mean it is at least or is not less than and at most or cannot exceed. So we'll refer back to those as we set up these problems. All right, number 1, you can work a total of no more than 10 hours each week. So if we highlight some of our key features here, keywords, a total of no more than 10 hours each week. I'm going to have to make that a lot bigger. So no more than 10 hours each week. So no more than means that we cannot have more of at your 2 jobs. Your house cleaning pays $5 per hour and your sales job pays $8 per hour. And you need to earn at least 56 each week to pay your bills. X is the number of hours. So we'll do that. For hours, X is the number of hours. And Y is the number of hours for your sales job. Hours that you clean a house. Okay, so we're going to set this up, and we have 2 different things that we're talking about. We have money, money, and money. And then we're going to have hours. All right, so we're going to have $5 per hour for the house cleaning. Okay, and so house cleaning was the X, so we need to have 5X. And then we have $8 per hour for your sales job. And you have to earn at least $56. Okay, so the $56 is going to come from both of those jobs. So we're going to have the 56 here. And then let me put the 6. Okay, there we go, 56. So you have to earn at least that much. So your jobs, you can earn more than or equal to 56 hours. Or $56. So we're looking here at our equations. We're going to find a 5x plus 8. I'm struggling. Y. Holy moly. That's going to be a y. Figure that. There we go. 8y. All right. So now we're looking for 5x plus 8y is 56. So definitely not A. We can cross that one out. And we're looking at B. We have 5x plus 8y we have to be less than 56, so we can cross that one out. 5x plus 8y is greater than or equal to 56. Perfect. And 5x plus 8y is less than or equal to 10. So that's incorrect as well. The way that we get the other equation is the number of hours from the house cleaning plus the number of hours from the sales job, no more than. So that's going to be, our hours have to be less than or equal to 10. So the correct answer for this one is C. All right, number 2, Katie is buying plants and soil for her garden. The cost is $4 per bag for the soil, and the plants is $10. She cannot spend more than $100, and she wants to buy at least 5 plants. So we're going to write out our systems of equations, and X is the number of plants, and Y is the number of bags of soil. So let's try this and see if okay, so X is the number of plants purchased, and Y is the number of bags of soil. So we're going to have money. Let's talk about our money first. So we have $4 per bag, so that is 4x. And then for the soil, And for a y, oh, reread. Look at that. Okay, so x is the number of plants purchased. So we're going to have to look at the plants. So for the plants are $10 each. $10 per plant. And here, the soil is the y. So the soil is the $4 per bag. And we cannot spend more than $100, which means our spending over here has to be less than or equal to $100. So let's go through our answer choices and see if we can eliminate any of those. And I did it again. That should be a y. Okay, here we go. We're looking at the first equation. 10x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 5. Nope. 10x plus 4y is less than or equal to 100. That would be, B could be an option. 4x, nope, already wrong. 4x plus 10y is less than or equal to 100. So we're between B and D. So for the second clue that we're given, we're talking about plants. So plants are x. She wants to buy at least 5 plants, which means her plants, which are x, she can buy more than 5 plants. So our x can be greater than or equal to 5. So let's look between B and D. And we have the same one for B, so that looks good. And the same one for D, but I'm riding the struggle bus today. Here we go. 10x. That is not going to match this equation, so that one's out. So it's already D. Okay, last but not least. You are selling pizzas to raise money for a school trip, and the cheese pizzas cost $8 each, and pepperoni cost $9. So let's go back and look here. X is cheese and Y is pepperoni. So we'll set that out. And, all right, so X is cheese. All right, and so that's going to be 8X. And then we have Y is pepperonis. So pepperonis are 9. So that's plus 9Y. Hey, I got it right. And then we have at least $180 worth of pizza. So we're going to have $180 worth of pizza, at least. So we can sell more than or equal to $180. So let's check out which answer choices we can get rid of now. We have 8x plus 9y. A is okay. 8x plus 9y is greater than or equal to 180. C, the symbol is the wrong way, and same thing for D. So now we'll look at the other two clues that we are given. Let's see, we need to sell at least 2 cheese pizzas. All right, and so cheese is X. So for the X, we want to have cheese pizzas and at least 2. So we can sell more than or equal to 2 cheese pizzas. So we'll look at our answer choices, and it looks like A has the correct one and B does not. So A is our answer choice for that one.